Star 1800 2024 Algebra 1 with logs by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. Video number 34, Giant College Algebra Final Review 05/31/24. Find the equation in a line through the 2 points. Now, wait, before we do this, do you need money for college, tuition, fees, books, software, stuff like that? Okay. Mall Margin Mixing Cafe open 24 hours. Great balls, great food, great work. Need money? Go there. Go work there. But you don't need money. You got lots of money. So let's do the problem. Find the equation in a line through the 2 points. 0, 2100, 7 to 0. So x1, y1, x2, y2, put them in the 2-point formula. So y1, there it is. y1, y2, put the numbers in. x1, x2, put the numbers in. And x1. So now this is going to be 2100 minus 0 over 0 minus 7. Take the braces off. Take the braces off. Minus 2100. Now I have, that's just x. Now 2100 divided by negative 7. How do we do that? You know what? Let's use a calculator. That's a big number. So let's do it here. So 2100 divided by a negative 7. Boom. Negative 300, which is what we get right here. Okay, so you can use machine. If you want to use this, that's fine. Just grab the calculator. Use it. All right, so now we have negative 300 times x is negative 300x. Add 2100. So y minus 300x plus 2100 is the equation line that goes through the what? 2 points right there. And there's the first point. There's the second point. Think like the shark and you. And eventually the shark wants to join you for lunch, I guess. All right, next question. Find the zeros of the function. All right, so set that equal to 0. Multiply this out. X and x squared and 12x plus 32 equals this. And the possible numbers for 32 are 32 and 1, 16 and 2, 8 and 4. From all these numbers possible, I say 8 and 4 because x times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. 4 times that is 4x. 4 and 8 is 12. And 4 times 8 is 32. That works. So now, x plus 4 equals 0. Minus 4 minus 4. So x equals negative 4 over here. X plus 8 equals 0. Plus 8 minus 8. 0 minus 8. Negative 8. So we have negative 4 and negative 8 are the zeros of that function right there. Example. Negative 4 hours ago and negative 8 hours ago, the shark was 0 feet from you in the sea. How's that? Find the zeros of the function. All right. Set that equal to 0. Add 16 to both sides. So we have this equals 16. Square root of this side, square root of this side. It's going to give you two answers, plus and minus. So x minus 2 equals plus or minus. Square root of 16 is 4. So x minus 2 equals negative 4. X minus 2 equals 4. Add 2, so x equals negative 2. Or add 2, so x equals 6. So x equals negative 2 or x equals 6 is the zeros of the function. Example of this, 2 hours ago and 6 hours in the future, the shark will be 0 feet from you in the sea. How's that? For zeros. Oh, complicated. Find the zeros of the function. You still said it equals 0, but we're going to have to use a quadratic formula to solve this because we just have to do it. Okay, I'll just tell you that now. So, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We're going to put these numbers in there. So we're going to have a, b, c, there they are, the numbers. Put them in there. B, a, and c, and then a again down here. So negative of 20 is negative 20. 20 squared means 20 times 20. And negative 4 times 8 times 11. So that's going to be 400. Minus 352 is 48. Now 48, we have to break that down using prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. 2 divides 48. Yes, 2 divides 24. 2 divides that. 2 divides that. So we ended up with 48 is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and a 3. Or 48 is 16 times 3. Now we're going to use this number right there. Break it. 48 is 16 times 3. Or square root of 16, square root of 3. And square root of 16 is a 4. So we have negative 20 plus or minus 4 square root of 3 over 16. Now, I'm going to factor a 4 out from this. 4 times that is negative 20. 4 times that is 4. So now the 4 times 4 on the bottom, see it, the denominator, these cancel. So we have negative 5 plus or minus 1 square root of 3. Or negative 5 plus or minus square root of 3 over 4. So now this is going to give you two answers. X equals negative 5 plus square root of 3 over 4. X equals negative 5 minus square root of 3 over 4. Example, times that the shark will be 0 feet from you. There's the zeros, 2 zeros right there. Okay. Oh, another one. Find the zeros of the function, but again, I have to use the quadratic formula again. A, B, and C. Put the numbers in. So we put all the numbers, B's in there, A and C. So we have negative 11 is negative 11. 11 to 11, 121. All these numbers, negatives and positive negatives, can be positive 240. It's going to be 361. And the square root of 361 exactly on the calculator will give you 19. So now we have two things. Negative 11 plus 19. Negative 11 minus 19. That's going to give you 8 over 20. That's going to give you negative 30 over 20. Now this one, I'm going to break it. 4 times 2, 4 times 5. That's 2/5. This one is 10 times negative 3, 10 times 2, and cancel those, 3 halves. So 2/5 and negative 3 halves. So the answer is 2/5 and negative 3 halves are the zeros of this. Okay. Times when the shark will be 0 feet from you. How's that? For zeros. Find the zeros. Again, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Put it in there. A is 1, negative 1, negative 7. Put them in the formula. You have negative, negative. It's going to be a positive. See that right there? You have negative of negative is positive, and negative 1 to negative 1 is positive 1, plus 28. That times that 28. 29, and then that's it. So 1 plus square root of 29 over 2, 1 minus square root of 29 over 2. That's it. Example times for the shark is 0 feet from you again. But they won't bite you. They're just looking around. Graph. Uh-oh, 2 graphs. F of x equals x squared. This is going to be this graph right here. But we don't want that one. That one's easy. There's the numbers for that. That one's easy. But we want this one, the new one. The new one is x plus 2 squared minus 5. So it's going to get shifted over. See that the 2 right there? It's going to go negative 2 shifted to the left. And then this is going to push it down. But let's get some points. Get some points in there. And we're going to put it in a calculator if you want to. You can do that. Sure. Okay. Get a calculator out. Let's do that right now. Okay. Let's get a calculator. All right. First, let's make sure that windows are set up. Windows. Negative 10, negative 10, 1, negative 12, negative 12, and does it all match? Yep. Let's then go to Y. And what is it? X plus 2, parentheses, X plus 2 to the power of 2. Okay. And minus 5, big minus sign, 5, enter. Does that look like the one? Yep. So now we hit graph. That's the graph, which looks kind of like this one here. Okay. Now, how do we get these points? You can do second table. Let me show you what that is. And we're going to get some points in there, okay? Okay, so we have graph. So we're going to go second and table right here. See the table? And it's going to give you some numbers. It's going to say negative 5 is 4, and negative 4 is negative 1, and negative 3 is negative 4, negative 2 is negative 5, negative 1 is negative 4, 0, negative 1, and 1, 4. All these numbers match these numbers right here. You see those? See how they match? And you can put those numbers, plot it. Got it? And domain, infinity, infinity, range from negative 5 this way. Okay, domain, anywhere you want. Range starts, lowest number is negative 5, up. Okay. Example, your night swim at Mustang Island. Out there, I was swimming on the ocean. At night, of course. This one, same thing. Put it in your calculator. Put this function in there. Once you do that in there, you're going to get points. Okay. Okay, you're going to get points just like those. So, put it in the calculator, and then you'll get the answer. I guess we can do it in a calculator, maybe. Let's do that. Let's do it in a calculator. Ready? Let's do that. Let's do calculator. All right. Let's see. Let's do first Windows. So Windows match 10, 10, 12, 12. Yep. So we hit Y. Negative. So it's this one here. Negative x to the power of 2 and plus 6x plus 6x, enter. Now hit graph. There it goes. Kind of looks like this one. Oops. Look at that. Graph again. Now let's go to second table. We have numbers. We have 0. Let's go to 0. Let's get down to 0 here. And there you go. So 0, 0, 1, 5, 2 and 8, 3, 9, 4, 8, 5, 5, 6, 0. There they are right there. Match this. Put the dots, connect it. There you go. Again, vertex, the highest point in this one is up there. So domain is anything you want. Roll over the numbers. Range is from negative infinity to 9. Stops right there. Okay. Example, your nice room alone at Mustang Island. How's that? Another graph, same thing. Put it in the calculator. Put it in the but change the numbers. See the numbers here? I changed these to 20 and 20. Negative 20 and 20. Okay, put it in there. You can graph it. You're going to get all these points right here. And you're going to use them to connect these points right there. Okay. But you need to change the windows on it. Okay. And let me set this one up for you guys. So negative 10, 10, that's fine. Negative 20 and 20. Okay, and then y. It's going to be 1x squared to the power 2 plus 6x minus 7. Is that it? Yep. Hit graph. And it grabs like this over here somewhere. And let's do a table. Second table. And let's go to negative 7 to match our numbers here. Okay, so it says negative 7 is 0. And negative 6 is negative 7. Negative 5, negative 12. Negative 4, negative 15. All the numbers are matching. Yes, they all match. And then you go down, keep doing it a little bit farther down if you want to. You get to 0, you get to 1. They all match. Put the points in there. Got your graph. Okay. Again, domain, all real numbers. Range goes from negative 16 that way. Okay. Vertex is right there. It's a midpoint. Your night swim at 3:34 a.m. alone at Mustang Island, I guess. It could be that you are there swimming. Same thing again. Put in the graphing calculator. Change the numbers back to 12, 12, and 10, 10. And once you draw it, you're going to get this number here. Now, this is going to give you a little bit trickier answer because it's going to give you 1/2, and negative 1/2 is going to be the vertex right there. And then you have a y-intercept and then some other points. But anyway, put in your graphing calculator. You got it from there. And this will be negative infinity, infinity is domain. Range is from negative infinity to negative 1/2 right here. And I guess that's it, huh? Yeah. Example. The night swim by a 30-foot shark at Mustang Island at 3:34 a.m. There's a shark swimming around at night. Just swimming for exercise. All right, Nick. That's it. Oh, I guess so. Okay. After you finish this, go celebrate. Go to Mustang Island, somewhere, Padre Island, Port Aransas, whatever. Get your surfboard out there. Have fun out there. Got lots of money. Go to Hawaii. You out there, put your Hawaiian stuff on. The big old 45-foot waves in North Shore, maybe. Or math monsters. Nah, math is fun. Oh, pretty scary. 7. Yeah, that's scary. Oh, 7 more. Oh, it's still scary. Numbers? No, not so scary. 7, 7. No. How about this giant crunchy guy? Oh, that's still pretty scary. How about this guy? Ooh, crunchy 2 and crunchy 3. They're pretty scary. But anyway, this is Professor Rafael Galvez Jr. saying good luck. Professor Rafael Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your college algebra. Again, Professor Rafael Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your college algebra. I know exam review, giant one. Okay, bye.